So interpolation search. Okay, now this is the interpolation search function. Okay, and main function. This is the data you want to search, from where you want to search the data. So before searching, we just print the content of the array. Okay, here we call the interpolation search function. We are passing the three parameters: e, the array name; n is the size of the array; and key we want to search for. So if o is equal to -1, data not found; otherwise data found. Okay, and here we print the position as well as number of comparison to search. Now suppose we have a data 2 4 7 9 10 11 12. Okay, now a is equal to the array, n is the size. Okay, so n is 7, and okay, so n is equal to 7, array is a. Suppose 6 9 we want to search for. Now l is equal to 0, h is equal to n minus 1. So l is equal to 0, h is equal to 6. It's 7 minus 1 6. Now just ignore this particular part. L is less than h, so L is less than L is 0, h is 6, condition is true. Key is greater than AL, key is what? 9. What is AL? AL, A0, A0 is what? 2, condition is true. And key is less than AH, what is key? 9. And what is AH? AH is 6, A6 is what? 12. Now the condition is true, so we have to calculate the P. P is equal to L plus H minus L by H minus L into key minus AL. So what is L? L is 0. L is equal to 0. H minus L. So what is H? H is equal to 6. L minus L is equal to 0. What is AH? A6 is 12. And what is A0? A0 is 2. Key minus AL. What is key? 9 you want to search for. And AL. L0. A0, A2, A0 is what? 2. Now if you calculate this, you will get the value 4. 4.2. Just take 4. Now once again we have to check. Okay, now p is equal to 4. Now ap is equal to key, a4 is equal to key, no, condition is not true. Now a4 is less than key. What is a4? 10 is less than key, no, condition is true. H is equal to p minus 1. So what is p? P is equal to 4. H is equal to now 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, now once again check. L is less than h. What is L? L is 0. What is h? H is equal to now 3. Condition is true. Key is greater than AL. What is key? Key is equal to 9. What is AL? A0 is what? 2. Condition is true. Key is less than AH. So what is key? 9. What is AH? H is equal to 3. What is A3? A3 is equal to 9. Now this particular condition is also true. So we have to calculate the P. Now P is equal to what? L plus this one. L is equal to 0. What is H? H is equal to 3 minus L 0. 9 minus 2 AH. Okay, so A3. What is A3? A3 is equal to 9 minus 2. Minus 2 means L is equal to AL. What is A0? A0 is 2. Clear? Key 9. Okay, minus AL. A0. A0 is 2. Now if you solve this, P is equal to 3. Okay, now if P is equal to 3, AP is equal to key, so A3. What is A3? P is equal to 3. A3 is equal to now the condition is true, and return P.
Okay, interpolation search. Now this is the interpolation search function. Okay, and this is the main function. This is the data from where we want to search. Okay, and here we just print the content of the array, and here enter the data to search for. Okay, so if the data is present, it will print the data found, otherwise it will not. It will print data not found. Now through this particular line we can print the number of comparisons. Now we can run. The data is 1 3 6 9 10 12 22 24 32 40. Suppose we want to search 10, whether 10 is there or not. Okay, So data found at 5th position and number of comparisons are 8. Similarly, we can check whether 40 is there or not. Okay, data found at 10th position, number of comparisons 2. We can check whether 1 is there or not. Okay, data found at 1 position, number of comparisons 2. We can check whether 6 is there or not. The data found at third position, number of comparisons say 5. And we can check whether 100 is